outburst, and it is anticipated that his post as advisor on the black community to the PM will now be untenable. This is slander, defamation. Sack me? Haven't you got anything to say?
You can only lose your reputation if you let them take it from you.
What are you supposed to mean by that?
Your drink, sir.
There.
Try not to choke on the ice.
What are you waiting for?
Lady's order?
Nothing for me, thanks.
Leave us! Leave. Crush like color.
What I'm trying to say is you've achieved what you have through blood, sweat and tears. Nobody handed you anything on a plate. They can't take that away from you with one lie. We'll find a way through this.
Listen.
And in a breaking news item from LBC, we learn that the offices of Othello Lamore were raided this morning. Large sums of cash were discovered, as well as offshore bank accounts and missing Sickle Cell Society donations entrusted to Othello Lamore. The news was greeted with shock by his colleagues. This is indeed a black day for black people. Stay tuned for the full report in 15 minutes.
Why? Well, why? What have I done? Why are they picking on me? You know how hard I've worked to reach where I am today. Can anything else go wrong? Believe me, Desdemona, I did not do any of these things. Please, let me hold my mother's ring. It reminds me of the hopes and dreams I had when I was a boy.
Of course. I don't understand. I only took it off to get it polished.
Well, where is it?
I can't find it.
Find it! Find it! Or did you slip it on your lover's finger?
What lover? I have no lover but you. I took it up and wrapped it up to get it clean and I put it in my bag.
You are full of trickery. Iago warned me that this would happen, but I didn't listen to him. You are the cause of my problems.
This is madness.
Madness, yes, this is madness. We will see when your lover gets here. Yes, I've invited him here tonight.
And who might that be?
Cassio, of course. Don't you play the innocent with me. I know what you bitches are like.
Othello! How dare you speak to me like this?
I dare, Desdemona. I dare. Everyone knows except me that my whore of a wife is bedding that young ram Cassio.
That's a lie.
I can hear them as I walk the corridors in the commons each day. I can hear them laughing at me. There goes Othello the fool. There goes Othello, whose wife is bedding this young boy. Do you know what it feels like? I was a happy man when I knew nothing. I wish I never knew. I want my ignorance back.
Stop this! You're drunk, Othello. You're exhausted. Listen to me. I love you with all my heart. You're my life. I've supported you without question every day of our lives together. Everything that I am or I will be, I owe to you. I've never once looked at or wanted another man. I've never been unfaithful to you. Every day I lay my hopes, dreams, and aspirations at your feet. So tread carefully, because you're treading on my dreams.
All you ever wanted was my black cock.
That's not true.
Admit it. Admit it.
Where's the proof that I betrayed you? You must have proof. You put these ridiculous accusations to me without evidence. Well, When I tell you I love you, I don't want anything in return. I don't do it to make you feel good. I do it because I love you.
You don't hurt the people you love. You never learn to love all of me, only a part of me. But I promise you this, you will not live this night through.
My heart doesn't lie, and I won't stop loving you as long as I live.
And I will never, never let another man have you. Tell me, do you recognize this?
Where did you find my ring?
Find it. It was taken from Cassio's finger, a gift from you.
I gave him no such gift.
Liar!
Oh.
Admit it. Admit it. Admit it that you're the lying, whoring bitch everyone suspects you to be. Admit it.
You're my husband. How could you do this to me? I deny these accusations. How do you know it wasn't stolen from me and planted on Cassio?
So why didn't you report it lost or stolen? Haven't I loved you enough? Haven't I given you everything that you desired? Then why have you contaminated my life, my bed? I can't live with the shame of knowing that some young stud fucked you. You ask for proof. You ask for proof. There's more proof. Explain that. Explain that to me. Explain that.
I didn't write this. What kind of conspiracy is this?
That is your handwriting. It goes on to describe oral sex with the boy. And say what a flop I was in the bedroom.
Please believe me, I didn't write it.
That is there in black and white. And tell me, whose child is you're carrying? Is it mine or is it Cassio?
Oh.
I promise you, you will pay.